Hi and welcome back to Spot On Works. In this video I'm gonna show you how to remote start your 2026 Volkswagen Taos. This is also gonna apply to Volkswagen Taos made from 2022 and all the way up to 2026. So grab your key fob and lock the vehicle. And then press this button twice. And now your Taos is remotely started. To shut it off, simply press this button once. And now if you wanna drive away while you remotely started your Volkswagen Taos, what you need to do, you wanna unlock the vehicle. Close the door, push the brake pedal, and then press start button. Now you can release the brake pedal, press it again, switch into the gear, and you can drive away. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you, bye.